Hello friends, welcome to V-Tutorial. Myself Mahavir. In this video, you will learn about index function with match function. It is the replacement or the alternative of VLOOKUP function. There is a two very big drawback of using the VLOOKUP function. First one is your lookup value should be on the left hand side. Then only you can search the lookup values on the right hand values only. You cannot search any value using the lookup value on the left hand side or in your database. Means here I have our data in which I have order ID, and on the right hand side I have order ID, ship mode, customer ID, name, and so many details. If I use VLOOKUP function, I can search all the details on the right hand side using the customer ID as a lookup value, but I cannot use it or search any value if the customer order on very right hand side. I cannot use this order ID searching a value on the left hand side. The second very big drawback, if I have thousands of rows and I put 2 or 3 VLOOKUP functions in different columns, so your calculations would be very slow. It may be possible your workbook can be hanged. So the replacement is the index function using the match function. So we will use index function, which is used to return a value or the reference to a value from within a table or the range. We have 3 arguments, and we will use the match function, which also has 3 arguments, and it is used. The match function searches for a specified item in the range of sales and then return the relative position of that particular item in the range. So let us begin. Our task is to get the customer name in the return order list from this order data using the order ID on column U, not the A column. So I'm gonna delete that one. So now if you use the VLOOKUP function, you can't get the value. You can get the value if the order ID would be on the left hand side. So let us begin to using the index function. So equal sign index. Now give the array in which you want to return the value. So in this case the array would be the order table. So come to the A1 tab and press Ctrl Shift and End key. So it will select the whole table, and now press F4, so making it this particular table as a constant, and now comma, and now I need to give the row number, but instead of giving the row number I will use here the match function. So come to the return tab, here press backspace because it automatically took the return sheet name, so you need to delete that sheet name, and now type the match function. So the first argument is lookup value. Enter the lookup value here, press comma. Now what is the lookup array? In this time the lookup array would be on the order tab, and this would be the array. So select from top to bottom and make it constant as well. Press F4 and comma, select 0, press tab and bracket close. Now I need to give the row number, so select the row number. So it will start from the 1, so 1 2 3 4 5, so comma 5, bracket close, press enter and come over here, double click over here. Now we got our result. So you can search by this. Come to the order sheet, search by pressing Ctrl F, Ctrl V, press enter. Now come to close the tab, press home, and now you come to the name. It's Larry and you can see the name. So By that way you can use index and match function as a alternative of VLOOKUP function for getting in better way. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any query, please put your comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you once again.